Hello and good day. Welcome to today's class. My name is Narena Ebel, and today in this class I will be talking about companies you might not have heard of that offers or gives great opportunities when you're seeking for remote jobs as a freelancer. If you have digital skills, the first company is Johnson and Johnson. So when you go to Johnson and Johnson website, you see some job roles. Mostly they release from January to March. And Johnson and Johnson is a financial company that offers financial roles. Okay. Now the second company is Atlassian. So for Atlassian, you can actually check them on LinkedIn. They offer tech roles and financial job openings, mostly remotely. Now the third one is called Steadfast Shared Services. It uses AU time zone. Mostly is hybrid work. There are only few opportunities that are basically remote, and they have their head office at BGC. Now the next company that gives or is open for remote roles is called the DXC. This one have a generous pay, like the pay is very generous. There is light workload fee. There is a work from home setup allowance, mostly for laptops and other benefits, right? So this like the top one that gives good remote jobs or remote opportunities, especially for Nigerians. Then the other one is 8x8. This one is also remote friendly and offers some little allowances. The other company I'll be discussing about is the EYGDS, that is the Ernst and Young Global Services. It's also a financial organization that offers some few tech roles, mostly a work at home roles that you can actually do. So you can check their website and get to know more about them. The other one is called the Bill Gosling Outsourcing. That's another company. This one is very perfect for beginners with no experience. So if you're looking for an intern roles, mostly for newbie, and is very friendly. Yeah, the pay may not be that much since it's for entry level and intern. The next other company I'll talk about is called the Datex. This one gives Datex gives fully remote roles to people within and outside Nigeria, mostly remote. Another company is called the Cognizant. Cognizant is also open to people who have no work experience. The last but not the least, I'd say, is Connect OS. It have a lot of opening positions in different fields, both available for interns, newbies, and mid-level. So you can actually check through the website. So most of those companies post roles on LinkedIn. You can actually check on LinkedIn. You have to be active on LinkedIn if you're seeking for remote roles, right? And also their official website. So you check LinkedIn and their official website using your Google browser or any browser. So if you're serious about starting or switching careers from maybe working from the office like 9 to 5 to remote jobs, you can actually check those websites I mentioned. So I hope this video has been able to help you look for the best careers that you're looking for using those websites. See you in my next video.